Jamaica, watch
God go with
this.
you, your sisters, your brothers, and your staff members. Because guess what? We are coming.
A masked man clutching a handgun, staring directly into a camera, delivering a terrifying message that has left the Stella Maris Prep school gripping with fear. In the more than 3-minute video, the man issues threats against school administrators, teachers, and students as he demands $50 million.
I need about $50 million. I'm not a long time for Pete, you know. I just a couple of days and weeks, you know. I ain't there in a couple of days or weeks.
The threats come more than a year after an armed robbery at the institution, which exposed what some said were growing security concerns. It's understood that the robbers made off with more than $500,000. At the time, school administrators were tight-lipped, but some parents were not pleased and demanded an official statement from the school.
Remember, say, the run go up at the station again. And there is a reach at the station, and wait at the station, get picture in the station. We don't have to chat too much, because too much talking not gonna work out. I boss money we need.
In an email to parents this afternoon, Principal Sister Mary Joseph said the video has been sent to the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA and the Office of the Police Commissioner to determine its authenticity. The principal is urging calm as the police investigate the incident. She said the school will remain open and will keep parents updated on new developments.